actually hit my car. Just watching the car burn down. Welcome back to the channel. This is OG Superfly Garage. Today we're going to revisit my daughter's 2001 Hyundai Elantra that, as you know, we've been working on. I had promised her that we're going to replace her hubcaps. Ordered the hubcaps and they came from Korea, so it literally took about a month and a half for them to get here. But they're brand new, specifically for this vehicle. And today, as you can tell, it's a very beautiful day. It's warm outside, and just so happens to be our first sunny, warm day in quite a long time. So I plan on taking advantage of it. I also got a package today, some merch that I got from Paul the Fox, as you can tell. So shout out to you, Paul. Also, something happened to this car a while back. You can see over here, this big dent right here and the scrape. That came from, I was emerging onto the freeway and a semi truck wouldn't let me over. He actually hit my car, in other words. And so I gotta work on getting that fixed. And then we might do a Earl Scheib type paint job on this car, just to kind of get it all back one color and repair some of the paint damage for her. So since it's her first car, that's basically it. Get back to work on these hubcaps. Let's go. Safety first. The wheel chalk back here so it doesn't roll back. The parking brake is up in the car, so we should be good. And so we're going to start on this side. I get my floor jack under there and get it jacked up and go from there. All right, man. Appreciate you.
Go.
Thank you.
Have a great day, guys.
You too. Take care. Received some packages today. Look, Hamlin Motorsports is one of them. We'll open those up later. Anyway, getting back to work. Wheels still look pretty good from when we painted them. Not too bad. As you know, when it comes to hubcaps, there is no front, back, left, or right. So just gonna start with the first one that's open. Look at that. Brand spanking new. The spec said to torque them down, the lug nuts down to 80 foot-pounds. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Actually, I'll wait and I'll torque them down after get everything on the ground. So we're gonna wait to the end. But man, what a difference. See this? This has to be lined up with the valve stem, which is right here. Right. We'll loosen them up, but hopefully this is it. Always the last one.
A few minutes later.
Torquing the wheels down with the lug nuts down to 80 foot-pounds. Well, the job is done. The hubcaps are on, the new ones. Everything is torqued down to spec for Hyundai's, which is 80 foot-pounds. Everything's done. It's done safely. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And please, if you like the content, hit that like and that subscribe. So once again, if I can do it, you can do it too. This is James with OG Superfly Garage, representing Paul the Fox. So some extra bonus footage for those who stayed and watched to the end. We're going to talk a little bit about my 2004 Excursion. It was riding really rough, and so something that wasn't filmed was the fact that I had new wheels and tires put on it, shocks, and a steering box. A red head steering box. So take a look. New steering stabilizer shock. All right, so if you look at this, this is the new steering box for the 2000 Excursion. Brand new. So that's what was done. All right, so earlier in the video, I referenced to UPS guy coming in delivering packages.
Oh, your car parts here for you.
All right, man, appreciate you.
Go.
Okay, so these packages, I believe, are for the Black Widow. So wanted to show you guys here in this bonus footage what we got. And look, a black MSD distributor cap. So the red one's gonna come off, and I have some Anderson Ford Motorsport really thick plug wires. They're red, that's on the car now, but I'm taking those off, and I want to put the black cap on, and along with the black spark plug wires as well. They're black and gray. So I think that's gonna look really good. I believe it was VRM, I follow him, he suggested that. And I thought about it, and I was like, you know, I actually think that's a good idea. It'll make the tubular intake actually stand out. So anyway, so that's that one. And this one is a box from Handling Motorsports. Trying not to tear the box apart, but I might have to. A clutch cable and the little clip. And for some reason they sent me two. I don't think I ordered two, but hey, if they threw it in, that's cool. This is the clutch cable quadrant. Notice it has the 3 adjustments, and it's aluminum, so it's not gonna break like the stock one. So that's why I'm gonna upgrade on the Black Widow. And this, of course, is the adjustment for that. So the firewall adjuster is what that is. It's gonna mount under the hood on the firewall. So it makes adjusting that, the tension on it, a lot easier. Now, from Summit Racing, this is a fire extinguisher for the Black Widow. So rather than just watching the car burn down if it catches fire, I can actually try to put it out. So I also ordered a holder for this, a mounting bracket. It hasn't gotten here yet. It mounts to the factory seat, the 2 open holes, and has a bolt that mounts to the passenger side seat, and it holds the fire extinguisher where it's very accessible behind the seat. So all you gotta do is reach back, pop the clips, and now you're ready to go put out your fire. This is the fire extinguisher. So when I get the bracket, then it attaches to this, and then you just pop the clips and you're good to go. So once again, thank you for watching. It's OG Superfly Garage. Got to clean up my mess now, take my wife back her steak knife. Hopefully she won't be too mad at me. So y'all have a good day.